Hi, welcome to McAlhanies Travel Vlog. In this season, we will be exploring England. London. London is the capital city of England and the United Kingdom. It is a historic part of Europe that began with the Industrial Revolution. It's also home of the English monarchy. Enjoy the video. We will begin our journey traveling from Los Angeles, California to London, England. It was a 10-hour flight non-stop, and we landed at London Heathrow Airport.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't want to waste what's left.
On day one, we started exploring on foot to see Big Ben, Westminster Abbey, and Trafalgar Square.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Welcome back to the channel. We are in London. It is Christmas Day, and here's proof we're in London. Big Ben. This is the big clock that's like a symbol of London. We're going to walk around. It's Christmas, so they say a lot of places are closed, but we're still going to check it out. It's windy, it's a little cool, but hey, it's London, Christmas Day. Come on, join us. Walking on our way to Big Ben, and we see this behind us. It looks like a heart wall dedicated to people that died from COVID. And the way it works is you have these hearts, and then somebody that passed away from COVID, they put their name, some people put their date of birth, and it's very interesting. So memorial for those that passed away as a result of the COVID death.
Drug dens and parties.
What you see behind me is the London Eye. This is another icon of the city of London. It's basically a giant Ferris wheel, and it looks pretty cool. It's all lit up at night, but because it's Christmas Day, it's not working. But we got to get really close up, and you get to see the London Eye.
Poor stomach lining, cigarettes for heartbreak. Love and well slept. How am I supposed to feel right now? Just tell me, how am I supposed to feel right now?
All right, so we are crossing a bridge that crosses the Thames River, and we're going to go to the side of London that has Big Ben.
Tell me, how am I supposed to feel right now? Tell me, how am I supposed to feel right now? Tell me, how am I supposed to feel right now?
Ben was built 164 years ago. There was a fire in which part of it was destroyed, and in 1834 they decided to rebuild the tower. The new tower was finished in 1859. The name Big Ben is a nickname of Sir Benjamin Hall, who was the man that commissioned the building of Big Ben Tower. Not far from Big Ben is Westminster Abbey. Westminster Abbey was formerly called the Church of St. Peter in Westminster, and it was an Anglican church, which means it was the Church of England. It has been the place of 40 coronations of English monarchs going back to 1066, and a burial site of 18 English and Scottish monarchs. Next door to Westminster Abbey is St. Margarets Church. Visitors often mistaken this church as part of Westminster Abbey. This church was built for local people to worship, and also is an example of Gothic architecture. So it's raining, we're in front of Westminster Abbey, and everyone wants ice cream. I don't know why, it's cold, it's wet, but they want ice cream, so we got some ice cream. And this is a pretty popular guy, he goes from place to place, but everyone seems to want to find out and buy his ice cream, so here we are, ice cream in London. I know it sounds funny, from history to ice cream tasting. This is Intermezzo. Anyway, we will keep walking in the rain, and the sky is getting really dark. We're now heading to Trafalgar Square. Fun fact about London: every time you approach a crosswalk, it either says look left or look right. It's a reminder not to just jump into the street. Here we go, we are at Trafalgar Square. Trafalgar Square was named after the Battle of Trafalgar, in which the English fought against the French dictator Napoleon Bonaparte in 1805. It's also considered a landmark of London, with a place of historic buildings, statues, and monuments. So we are in Trafalgar Square. This is another famous place for tourists. It's famous for some statues and memorials. You have these two fountains, which are kind of symbolic of the square. You also have a Christmas tree, since it is Christmas. And to this area right over here, we have these lions, which are very symbolic of the England, is the symbol of the lion and the royalty. The symbol of the lion is thought to represent qualities of the British. As an example, strength, courage, dignity, and pride. So we're leaving the main part of the square, and we're going to look for a place to eat. Oh, look, a Harry Potter store. Let's go check this out.
Christmas Day, there are so many restaurants closed. So far, this is the only one we see open. It's called Itsu. They're selling so many varieties of portable Japanese food.
So we're in Trafalgar Square. We got hungry, so we're having dinner. Not too many places open, but found one place, a noodle place called Itsu. And they have dumplings, and they have sushi, and they have what I got, which is poke, which is basically fish. They give you a little bit of, looks like maybe soy sauce. Looks like we got some fish here, so let's try some of this. And let's get it with a little bit of the rice. Got some peas. There's your ginger, fish, rice, and carrots. Good. I'm gonna put some soy sauce. Little mini baby soy sauce they gave me. Try that. Start with the fish first. Yeah. More flavor. Good. So prices for everything is really pretty good. This is about £6, and we had a dumpling soup. It's only £5, so very inexpensive, very reasonable considering it's a Trafalgar Square. Have here is Thai style udon, and it looks like edamame. That's how you say it. Beans. You have look at that, noodles. Let's try this. Whoa! Oh boy, unusual. Taste of peanuts. I wasn't expecting that. That's because Thai you get a lot of peanuts. And they also had some fried onions on top. Try some more of this. Very interesting. Good, different, but very interesting taste. Thai udon. Try it again. We're good. So your way, mix everything together.
We are finished eating. It's time to walk back to the hotel. This is the end of day 1 travel video in London. We will continue to day 2 travel video in London on the next video. If you like the video, please click like button, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, please consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now from London, and see you in our next video.